Hi everyone, this is BK. So I'm just in charge of the Korea modem R&D and also specific EU R&D. So actually my division is just focused that is some technical, some feasibility, and also some feasibility in real product. So my session that is let's just discuss together about that is what is our bottleneck for 6G in device perspective. Okay, so our perspective that is a 6G is just three key items. There was one that is sustainable and green, and the other was very intelligent AI based on service, and the other was everywhere. So we are defined that is we have many achievements from our wireless technology enhancements. But so now is we are B4G. So what mean that is there is not just engineering or data some transfer. So now is we should do some meaning delivery, and also some meaning of the token, mean that is meaning of the letter, meaning of the some picture, like that. It's a very different some demands from our outside. Okay, so our company there is a plan that is step by step. That is our some 3G PP some plan. So next year is we are focused that is AI first. So now it's a 6G that is very important of the enhancement of the AI between UE and network. Some channel estimation or some channel quality, some estimation, and make some optimization, some communication. So next year is we will have some MWC demo with the AI related operation in UE and network. And the other was we plan to some real device, some demo in MWC 2027, and hopefully there is a 2028 Olympic, so we can some pre-commercial 6G device with a robot or some real device, some open to commercial, open to outside. That was our some plan. Here is a UE perspective. So why we should go to 6G? So what was blocking in 5G in our previous some history? So first that is, 5G deployment is not better than LTE. Why? Because there was a coverage is very small, and deployment cost is very high. So still, some development countries doesn't deployment of 5G. So 6G should be overcome this in device perspective. So we are some one cell multi-carriers wideband frequency or location is could be much enhancement, that kind of issue one. And the other was some AI, and also includes the private and public some cloud service. Hopefully that is AI lane must be some mandatory of the enhancement of the 6G environment. The other was everywhere with the beamforming technology and massive MIMO with antenna. The other was green because the data transfer will be dramatic increase. So we should be must make some more enhancement of the power consumption in UE side. Okay, there was just one of the first our challenge that is for wideband, some location in worldwide. So one union is maybe not easy, but we should try together of the overcome. First, so many speakers was already introduced that kind of issue. So I will just remind. And I already told you that is what we should overcome in UE side. Mean that is we need to be extension of the some network coverage in 6G. In UE perspective, so we are focused that is more how UE can supporting the kind of coverage extension. So high power UE or basically MIMO or beamforming or some much better some channel estimation or some modulation rather than 1024 QAM. So we are focusing that kind of feature and try to listing to 3GPP and altogether study about it. Okay, next that is one of our some first achievement. You know, we already knew that it's a TDD compared with FDD, especially some SCBFD that is much better in enhancement. But so we have some technical issue in B4. I mean, there is that kind of things that if we achievement SBFD, that is latency is much enhancement, and also the network coverage is enlargement, and also the capacity also can be increased more than 10 times, 100%. But it's that kind of one segment, omnic downlink always have some self-interface, self-interference issue. So there was a benefit of the SCBFD. So 43% enlargement, and also 42% of the latency enhancement, and also some network capacity, some enlargement. So we already have some feasibility check in our some flagship chipset. So we already have some evidence in there in UE device side. But it's unfortunately, so we are still looking for that is network or some other partners. So I'm try to say to everyone that is MediaTek is looking for that is true partners for 6G together. Okay, thank you. So thank you for your time.